So you want to see what a house under 300,000 looks like in Northeast San Antonio?
We're going to take you on a tour of one of our latest listings that's under 300,000 in Schertz, Texas, which is just northeast of San Antonio. And we're going to get started on that house tour right now. If this is your first time in our channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe and tap the bell, and you'll be the first to receive notifications of upcoming videos and the current market in the San Antonio area.
Hey guys, we're Brian and Brenda Jones. We're the proud owners of Lone Star Home Realty, and we get calls from people just like you every single day. So give us a call, whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, we're more than happy to help you.
All of our information is in the box below. You can call us, text us, email us, or even sign up for a Zoom. We would love to chat and help you make a smooth move to the San Antonio area.
Let's check this one out.
Let's go.
Hey guys, so here's the house. It's actually a garden home, which means it's a zero lot line. This neighbor right here, that wall is their exterior wall, and that is your lot line. And same on the other side over here. This house has a brand new roof. Brand new roof. Let's go check this one out. So you got this really nice exterior. Again guys, I got to remind you, this is less than 300,000 on the northeast side of San Antonio. We'll walk back in the back in just a minute. Let's go inside and see what Brenda has for us.
Come on in.
So you got this nice large living room with a fireplace.
It's a beautiful wood burning fireplace.
Guys, this house is under 300,000 and it's move-in ready.
It truly is move-in ready. This house was built in 1983. Definitely still has 1983 fixtures, but it's in really good condition.
Brand new dishwasher. Relatively new. Well, it's an old stove and range. Let's see what the pantry looks like. Good sized pantry.
Good sized pantry.
And you got refrigerator. All of this goes with the property. Again, under 300,000 guys. Let's check out some of the secondary bedrooms first.
This home, even though it's a garden home, it does have 1660 square feet, and it is 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Really nice size. You can definitely tell the difference in the older builds compared to the newer builds. The closets are bigger, the rooms are bigger. The lot size.
Pass-through closet.
The lot size on this, even though it is a garden home, is a 0.18. Guys, that is bigger than most new neighborhood subdivisions in the lot size.
Guest bathroom. Again, under 300,000 guys.
And I will tell you, this neighborhood in Schertz is very, very, very popular. Everybody wants to move in here. The homes in this area go very quickly, even though they are older.
Now let's go check out the primary bedroom. Got nice floor plugs. Here's the primary bedroom. Again, under 300,000 guys. This is a pretty good sized room. One of the things you're going to notice is you do have popcorn ceilings. That's okay. It comes off. Under 300,000, you can do a lot in this house.
It definitely needs updating. It definitely steps back in time with the wallpaper, the popcorn ceilings, the tile. But like Brian said, at the price of this home, there's so much. If you wanted to come in here and update this, it would be like money very well spent.
Now, one thing I will show you that I would change. Yes, we do have carpet in the bathroom. And that's got to go. But guys, this is under 300,000. How many times do I have to tell you that? It's under 300,000. Let me show you something really, really cool.
And it truly is a blank slate when you think about it. You can come in and do with it whatever you want to do to make it your own.
This is the garage. Yes, this is a rear entry garage. So you can live in this house and nobody needs to know that you're here. Got a plumber's loop.
Has a mud sink out here.
Mud sink. Washer and dryer is outside. Again, guys, under 300,000. Brenda's going to tell you
that's because you
what it's listed for.
You didn't show what they did with the closet where the washer and dryer went. They made it into a cedar closet.
That's true.
So that's why it's moved out in the garage.
Now, one of the things that Brenda was talking about, a blank slate. Let me show you this. You could put a pool back here.
You may be laughing at that, but I will tell you a house almost identical to this one down this street was for sale last year.
And they put a lap pool in.
And they put a pool in here. So there is room. You're not in an HOA.
I didn't mention that, did I?
No, you did
not. No HOA.
No HOA.
Under 300,000, no HOA, and a blank slate. Now, what's this one listed for, Brenda?
Are you ready? $264,832.
So not only is it under 300,000, it's way under 300,000.
Brand new roof, clean, fresh slate for you to come out here.
Guys, all you got to do is
four-side brick.
Take the popcorn off the ceiling, replace the carpeting with whatever flooring you want, throw some paint up, and you're done. You could throw a couple yards of dirt back here and just redo this whole backyard. You can do it.
This is a beautiful home, guys. I know it's dated. It's a garden home, but I will tell you it is in a very popular neighborhood in Schertz. It won't be on the market long.
So give us a call, comment below, let us know what you think of this property, and we're more than happy to help you with whatever home you're looking for, whatever property you're wanting to get into, and we will make it happen for you.
Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell.
We'll catch you on the next one. Coming up soon. Bye.